Welcome back to our Proactive Studios. I'm Natalie Stoberman, joined by the Chief Communications Officer at BioxyTran, Mike Sheikh. Mike, thank you so much for joining us today.
Oh, yeah, pleasure to be here. Thank you.
The pleasure is all mine. And Mike, since it's our first time chatting, let's introduce the company to our investor community. How is BioxyTran working towards treating novel diseases, and with which drug candidates?
Well, we'll give you an overview of BioxyTran. BioxyTran is a clinical stage biotech. We have two platform technologies. So we're over that research phase in the sense that we have people in the clinic. Our top lead platform technology is glycovirology, and that's really our focus. But we also have a hypoxia and degenerative diseases platform. Now, what makes us different than a lot of the other companies out there is that we are a niche manufacturer. We have niche biotech manufacturer. We have these carbohydrate drugs. And what's nice is that these drugs as a class don't show any toxicity in animals. So it really allows us to hone in on the efficacy of the drug. And in terms of our drug candidates, our primary drug candidate is ProLectin M, and that is for mild to moderate COVID-19. And we also just had a brand new drug candidate, ProLectin I. That's not the intravenous form of it. That's a whole nother new drug candidate for fibrosis and long COVID. So we're pretty excited about that.
It does sound exciting. How did both of these drug candidates work?
Well, we'll talk about ProLectin M. What happens there is what we found is our drug binds the spike protein. And by binding to the spike protein, we prevent that virus from getting into the healthy cells. So it basically acts as a neutralization agent and basically scrubs all that virus out of your body so that you feel better and you get better fast. In our clinical trials, heck, we had 88% of the people responded were actually PCR negative in 3 days. So we eliminated that infectivity extremely fast. We're excited about those results because we had 100% response rate by day 7. And that compares to only 6% in placebo. So there's a big spread there. And not many companies have done that. As a matter of fact, only one company in the past decade had clinical trial results like that were that good with a 100% responders rate where you're PCR negative in 7 days. It's pretty good.
And when it comes to ProLectin M and ProLectin I, what kind of timeline can we expect for the rest of the year?
ProLectin M is it's basically, we're doing an optimization study. So this optimization study is going to lead to our phase 3. Based off of the results that we get out of this optimization study, will then inform our phase 3. So we're excited to get started that right away. That is actually probably one of the most recent catalysts is when we actually start dosing people in our dose optimization study. We think that'll get investors pretty excited about that because then they'll know, okay, right after that, then we can go into the phase 3, provided we have enough funding in place.
Awesome. Well, we look forward to hearing more updates from you, Mike. Thank you so much for stopping by.
All right, thank you.
Again, the Chief Communications Officer from BioxyTran, Mike Sheikh.